Breaking news. Court restores suspended Edo local government council chairmen and their vices. I tell you, this one don't hook Okpebolo, and you don't hook the Speaker of the State House of Assembly, who is even a PDP person. Just because Okpebolo has bought them over, even the PDP members in the State House of Assembly started just working against the party. And these are the same people that impeached and removed what is his name, the former deputy governor Philip Shaibu from office. The same people are now, even in PDP, are now working against their own party because the governor has bought them over. So now I remember this issue based on the fact that the governor gave the local government chairman 48 hours to submit their account statement of their councils. They did not bring it, and then he went and petitioned the State of Assembly. The Assembly just went and they suspended them without going through required judicial process. I'm telling you, the thing is, and they challenged it. And in the midst of all of that, the Attorney General and the Minister for Justice, Justice Fagbemi, now had to warn the governor that he does not have the power to sack the governor or even, to sack the local government chairman or even their deputies. So in all of this, the court has now done the needful. The Edo State High Court sitting in Benin has done the needful now, reinstating those people. I tell you, if they know now, it is time for the local government chairmen and their councillors to, hold that state very tight for PDP against the dictates of that governor, because that governor is a wrong person, I'm telling you. I all know that they're looking for a way to own the local government, to push away the PDP elected the local government chairman so that they can have APC people there. That's what they're looking for. They thought by the time they suspend those governors, they can now put, critical committee chairman, which will be their own person. And then from there, they will own all the local government. That's what they're looking for. It should calm down. So let's dive into the details. The Edo State High Court, sitting in Benin City on Friday, which is today, December 20th, 2024, granted application to restore the 18 suspended local government council chairmen and their vices in the state. Exactly. That's a very good one. So the court also ordered the defendants, the governor, Edo State government, Attorney General of Edo State et al., not to give effect to the House of Assembly resolution purportedly suspending them. Can you imagine? This is a developing story. Details soon later. Okay? So what is happening here? This was released by Business Day, which is a mainstream media anyway. So the fact here, we know, understand that a lot of things are evolving, but the fact here is that those who have been reinstated by the Edo State High Court, and this is state matter and local government matter, so State High Court has that jurisdiction to deal with the matter, not Federal High Court like the what they are doing in Rivers State and the Kano State. They will take state matter to Federal High Court, from Federal High Court to Appeal Court, when it is supposed to be within the jurisdiction of the State High Court. So now that the State High Court in Benin City has restored the 18 local government chairmen, let's see exactly what Pueblo is going to do. Let's see exactly what the State House of Assembly, which happens to be dominated by PDP members, is going to do. This is just very unfortunate. The State House of Assembly members are almost all PDP. And all the local government chairmen that are suspended are almost all PDP. So what has the Pueblo now done in that assembly that has made them to work against their own party? Quite unfortunate, I'm telling you. And the same assembly suspended the deputy, or rather impeached the deputy governor. So what is their problem? But it's okay. It's a good news. This is victory on the side of the 18 local government chairmen and their vices, or rather their deputies, so they can continue their business as usual. But the other hand again, now that the December Kwebolo has now worked with EFCC at the back door to also start investigating and probing them, and I don't know how that is going to go, because the EFCC has also started inviting them for questioning and for probing. I don't know why that should be. Are they not supposed to have immunity? I don't understand, because they form the executive arm of government, not the legislative or the judiciary arm of government. They are the executive side of government. So I also think that the same immunity that the president, the governors are enjoying should also be the same level of immunity that the local government chairman should enjoy in the office. This one now what I'm telling you. But it's good that the state judiciary has done the needful and those people will be properly reinstated. Okay? And somebody is writing here, which court and which soup? I beg, leave that thing. Governor Pueblo is on the right lane. Who told you Governor Pueblo is on the right lane? How is he on the right lane? Now, the federal government, through the Attorney General and the Minister for Justice, has spoken, that the governor and the state legislators do not have the right. It's only the councillors that can impeach the chairman. So now you are saying the problem is on the right lane. If it's on the right lane, then let him go and challenge the judgment, because that instruction has been given and it has been given. And somebody don't tell us, see the Olodo Rabata, governor don't enter hot soup. Of course, governor is on the wrong lane and is now on the hot soup. The worst of all is that the governor does not even understand what is happening. It's quite unfortunate that Edo State, as exposed, learned, and educated that Edo State is, they have gotten a governor that is almost equivalent to, I don't know how to classify him, almost equivalent to an illiterate. And it's quite unfortunate. And all the learned people in Edo State are supporting the illiterate to lead them. And now they're pushing him left, right, and center. He can't even ask the right question. He can't even ask the right question. There's no IQ to know whether what is happening is right or wrong. That is a very bad one chance that Edo State has entered for the next 4 years. It's going to be a very big one for them. I'm telling you, how did you get there? What will Oshomole gain by doing all of these things? Just because they have a fracas with Baseki or with PDP, or they want the state to become APC state. And now you brought someone who cannot even understand what is documented. A written text, they can't understand it. The same person I want to lead. Now wow. There is more to governorship than mere local government popularity. It's a serious matter. I'm telling you. This is not a joke. This is not a joke at all. So thank you for listening. Let's have your comment as the State High Court in Benin City has reinstated all the 18 local government chairmen and their deputies back to office, and has instructed the governor, the Edo State government, and the Edo State House of Assembly to stay away from that action. And in fact, the instruction is both the governor and the Edo State government should not, and even the Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice of Edo State should not implement or support or work with that resolution that the State House of Assembly reached, because it is illegal. So thank you for listening, and let's have a comment.